Hey guys, today we're here. Get out, get out. Okay guys. Ooh. Good morning. Oh, I mean good evening. Make sure to like and subscribe because it's been my first video in 1 year. I haven't posted anything or did anything, I've not done anything. Plus, we have anti-radiation glasses. You should buy this at TikTok shop. Hey, Edward, how you doing? What the hell? Come on, let's play now. Hey, stop using your phone! What the? I got him in that. Oh no, the phone. Oh no. Oh no, guys, you're stuck. Guys. Back ako. Oh hell no! You made a fall. We need a thing stick. Come on, push. Okay, we can stick it. Then. Those guys are stuck. I know. We can't get that. It's probably gonna take hours. Okay. Okay, I have an idea. Gonna get you guys. Yeah, I know. There's dust everywhere. We're gonna get you guys. Oh, everybody good? Everybody's safe. Okay, that was a stupid thing to do. Yeah. It was just an accident. Block off like this. Yeah. So guys, that was my fault. Edward's fault, not any of mine. Move out. And guys, make sure to subscribe. Like and subscribe. This is all free, I promise. Okay? I promise. I promise you too. Peace. Okay guys. You were stuck there for 2 minutes. You didn't see anything. We were just talking. It was so funny. Okay, let's start our WWE Royal Rumble. Yeah, let's go. Okay, let's start. Okay. The hell, you cringe as hell. Making sounds when you crash. What the hell? Yay, feel that? See that, people? That's it. 1, 2. What the hell? People! Look at this! Oh! No! Oh! Bye! Let's go! You really wanna fight me? Yeah, I wanna fight you.
You idiot.
Make sure to like and subscribe. He just ran away. You want to play hide and seek? Oh gosh, I got him. I kicked his ass.
God! Ow! Ow!
Yeah.
Oh, God!
Oh, my back. Oh. No, please. Oh. Oh.
God! Oh!
Oh.
It's like 1,000-year-old there.
I'm gonna hug you till it to death. I'm stuck, bro.
You're stuck, huh? Huh?
Wait.
Where's
What are you talking about? Subscribers. Make sure to like and subscribe, guys.
all free?
All free.
Our
guys.
main channel is all free, I
All
promise.
free. I promise to.
Yep.
Promise to God.
Promise to God, man. Promise to God.
Okay, guys. That's enough WWE. Let's play some hide and seek.
I don't wanna.
Bro, this is for the viewers. And guys, I hope we get... If we get like 100 subscribers, I will literally slap my brother. Okay, that's all, guys. Next time, I'll see you. Bye.